Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll discuss the few exercises of movement and locomotion of class 9th. According to your syllabus, the exercises questions you have it here. First, name various parts of the body that are involved in the movements of various parts of the human body. Skeleton, joints, and muscles are various parts of the body that are involved in the movement of various parts of the human body. I hope your answer is clear. You clear the answer? Answer: skeleton, joints, and muscles are various parts of the body that are involved in the movement of various parts of human body. How many bones are present in the adult human body? 206 bones are present in the adult human body. Find the odd one out. Femur, radius, tibia, fibula, and tarsals. Radius, it is present in the forelimbs. Rest all are present in hind limbs. Humerus, ulna, metatarsals, and phalanges. Here metatarsals, they are found in hind limb. Rest all are found in forelimb. Skull, vertebra, sternum, and pelvic girdle. Skull, vertebra, sternum, they are all bones. Pelvic girdle, it is the bone that joins the hind bone and the this pelvic girdle, it joins the hind limbs, whereas they are the separate bones are there in the body. Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, and sutures. Hinge and ball socket joints, they are the proper joints, where the sutures, they are the small portions which are present in the skull in immovable joints. It is concerned with the immovable joints, they are with the movable joints. Humerus, femur, radius, tibia, and teeth. The humerus, femur, and radius, they are the proper bone. Tibia and teeth, they are extensions of the calcium. They are not proper bones. Tibia and teeth, I don't think this because teeth is there, teeth are not coming under the bone. They are exoskeleton. Teeth comes under exoskeleton. Tabulate various human skeleton. For that you have the table over here. This is the table. It is the region of the skeleton. This is number of bones, region of the skeleton, and number of bones. See, in cranium you have 8 bones, face you have 14 bones. Auditory ossicles 6 bones, 3 bones in each ear. Hired apparatus 1. Sternum 1 bone present. Vertebra, they are 36 vertebrae, and ribs, they are 24. 12 pairs of the ribs are there, 24 are there. Appendicular skeleton, under appendicular skeleton and shoulder girdle. Clavicle 2, scapula 2, they are the girdle bones. Upper forearm, humerus 2, ulna 2, metacarpals 10. Radius 2, radius and ulna together, carpals 16, and phalanges 18. Pelvic girdle, hip bone that joins your hind limbs, and the femur 2, fibula 2, tarsals 14, phalanges 18. There's a 16 they are there, means one limb, and four limb, the 18s are there. Patella 2 bone in your knee bones are there, tibia 2, and metatarsals 10. All together you make total 206 bones are present in your body, right? Discuss various functions of the skeleton in man. The various functions of the skeleton in the man, they are, you see, the skeleton performs many functions. Support, it's the supporting framework of the body. It gives shape, bony framework provides them and maintains the shape of the body. Protection, hard bony protect the delicate vital organs inside the body. Bones with the joints, they help in the movement. Reservoir means bones as a major reservoir of calcium. So in bones, calcium is deposited, withdrawn according to the need, so it maintains calcium level constant in the blood. Homo, homi, Hemopoiesis, production of blood corpuscles. is known as human, means blood corpuscles, they are produced in red bone marrow. Hearing, ear ossicle bones, and that is the malleus, incus, and step. Three ear ossicle bones are there. They help in hearing. As in the middle ear, they passes the sound waves from the external ear to the internal ear. Breathing, sternum and ribs, they helps in your breathing. Fat storage, marrow cavity of the long bones, that is the bone marrow, that is helps in the adipose tissue. And paleontological importance, they are hard, so usually they are preserved as a fossil, and they provide a very authentic proof to trace the evolution of the various animals, right? Name the bones in which the following structures are found. Glenoid cavity, it is present in pectoral girdle. Acetabulum, it is present in pelvic girdle. Centrum, it is in the vertebra. Transfer processes, they are also in the typical vertebra. Foramen magnum, it is found in the skull. Name the joint found between glenoid cavity and the humerus. It is ball and socket joint. Elbow joint, hinge joint. Knee joint, hinge joint. Atlas and axis vertebra, pivot joint. Various bones of the skull, immovable. Bones of the skull, they are immovable joints except lower jaw of the skull. Name any two parts of a body, the skeleton of which made up of cartilage in place of bone. See, your windpipe, it is made up of cartilage. External pinna and the external part of your nose. External pinna, it is made up of cartilage. End of the nose is made there, and the windpipe is made up of cartilaginous rings are there that makes your windpipe straight. What do you mean by joints? Name and give examples of the various types of joints you have studied. Now see here. The point where two bones meet in the skeleton is called a joint. The joint also helps in movement. Different types of the joints and the examples are as follows. First, ball and socket joint, it is present between the shoulder and hip joint. Pivot joint, it is present between atlas and axis vertebra. Angular joints, they are present in wrist and metacarpophalangeal joint. Gliding joint is wrist and tarsals in the ankle. Hinge joint, knee and elbow joint. Saddle joint, it is the metacarpal of thumb and the corresponding carpal, that is known as trapezium. In between that, only the saddle joint is present, right? Okay. Now give the name of the longest, see this is not in your syllabus. Longest bone in the human body, it is the humerus. Smallest bone in the human body, it is the stapes. Largest muscle in human body, it is the gluteus. Smallest muscle in the human body is stapedius. Steps bone होती है, steps के जो आसपास muscle, that is stapedius muscle. Flexor muscle in the arm of the body, biceps, and the external muscles, it is your tricep. Now here, axis differentiate flexor and extensor of them. They are the biceps and tricep. Flexors, biceps, they are present above the body. See, they are the biceps, they are the present above the body. Triceps, they are present on the lower side of the body. True ribs and fall ribs. True ribs are those which are joined at the skeleton. True ribs, see, true ribs, first pair, 7 pairs of ribs which are directly attached to in the sternum, which ribs are directly attached, they are known as true ribs. And fall ribs, there's the seventh pair, the ribs, last two, they are the floating ribs, and above the floating ribs, the 7, there 9, 12 pairs are there, and the rest ribs which were attached together, and then they were one bone is attached to the sternum. So these pairs of the 1, 2, 3, 4, they are known as false ribs. True ribs directly attached to the sternum. False rib, they were indirectly attached to the sternum. First, this is the exoskeleton, which is present outside the body as your nails, teeth, hair. Endoskeleton, the skeleton as the skeleton, human skeleton is there. It is present inside your body. That is the into the axial and appendicular structure. Appendicular skeleton, axial skeleton, which is present on the axis of the body. Under axial skeleton, your skull, vertebral column, sternum, and rib. Means see, in the axis, the bones which are present, this is your axial skeleton. And the appendicular skeleton, under appendicular skeleton, that comes your forelimbs and hind limb. This is the means your skull, your vertebral column, sternum, and this. It is in the one axis which is present over there, and which are present on the sides. Is your girdles and hind limb and forelimb. This comes your appendicular skeleton. Under the appendicular skeleton, you have girdles and hind limbs and forelimb. Under the skeleton one, uh, two ribs which were attached directly to the sternum, first ribs which are not directly attached, axial which is present in the axis straight, your skull comes, then your vertebral column, sternum, excuse me, sternum, and your ribs are coming. The ribs are there. Under appendicular skeleton, your comes, that is your girdles, hind limb, and full. Excuse me. Flexor and external flexor muscles, they are the biceps. External muscles, they are the biceps. They are present above the arm. External, they are on the lower side of the arm. Exoskeleton outside the body, endoskeleton that is present inside your body. See, exoskeleton present on the outer surface of the body, endoskeleton present inside the body. It is always dead, it is always living. Ectodermal in origin, mesodermal in origin. It consists of shells, scales, feathers, claws, hairs, nails, etc. It consists of bones and cartilage. It provides better protection against external injury, whereas endos it gives better support and permits better movement. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.